Dahil kay Jesus, ano daw tayo? But now, that faith has come. We are no longer under tutor. You are all sons of God through faith in Christ Jesus. Hindi na tayo performers, hindi na tayo spiritual orphans. Tayo ngayon ay mga anak na ng Diyos. Hindi lang doon natapos. Sabi rito, for all of you who were baptized into Christ have clothed yourself with Christ. Mula ngayon, hindi ka na naked. Wala ka nang dapat ikatakot na may tinatago ka pa. Because every time God looks at you, He sees you as Christ. Because we were clothed. Di ba? Clothed by Christ Himself. Every time God looks at you, hindi niya nakita yung kasamaan mo. Nakita niya si Jesus, His very own Son.